When it comes to home security in 2025, nothing matters more than finding a smart, reliable, and private solution. And among all security cameras that work with Google Home, eufy Security stands out as the perfect blend of innovation, performance, and privacy. Today, let's explore why the new generation of eufy Security cameras gives you smarter protection and peace of mind for your connected smart home. With the Google Home app, it's easier than ever to build your own wireless security camera network. Just say, "Hey Google, show me the front door," and your door camera feed appears instantly. While other brands such as some top names need subscriptions for full access, the eufy Security system lets you enjoy everything. No monthly fees, no compromises. What truly sets eufyCam apart is its advanced encryption and local storage through the Homebase app. Your data never leaves your hands. Real privacy, real security. Let's begin with the eufyCam S4, the flagship that merges design and technology for professional-grade protection. It's equipped with a tri-lens system offering 4K dual-view clarity, letting you see a wide overview and a zoomed-in detail simultaneously. AI Tracking 2.0 seamlessly follows subjects, switching between the bullet lens and PTZ lens to keep targets centered. With about 355 degrees pan and 70 degrees tilt, S4 covers every corner without blind spots. Perfect for large yards, shops, or driveways, it delivers the confidence of a professional system, minus any subscriptions. Next comes the eufy SoloCam S340, a powerful outdoor camera engineered for full-day coverage. This model features dual lenses with 3K resolution and 360-degree field of view. Whether you install it on a porch or fence, the S340 uses solar charging to keep working all year round, no manual charging needed. It's the perfect solution for those who need high-quality outdoor security cameras without constant maintenance. For farther locations with poor Wi-Fi, the eufy 4G LTE Cam S330 changes the game. Supporting both 4G and 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi, it keeps you connected even off-grid. From cabins to farms, it delivers stunning 4K video resolution and panoramic coverage to ensure nothing goes unnoticed. Real users have shared incredible footage of their pets and livestock, proving that even when the eufy 4K S330 charging is showing a blue light, it's still on duty, watching over everything you care about. And then we have the innovative eufyCam S3 Pro, built to elevate your smart home security system to the next level. It offers brilliant 4K UHD resolution, low-light color night vision scope, and radar-based motion detection to reduce false alarms. Powered by Bionic Mind AI learning, it distinguishes family members from strangers and sends personalized alerts through the eufy Security app. Even at night, the footage looks bright and detailed like daylight. Professional-grade surveillance made simple. If you're already in the smart home installation ecosystem, the eufy Security works flawlessly with Google Home and integrates seamlessly with other smart home devices. Now, let's quickly walk through how to connect your eufy Security camera to Google Home. First, ensure that your camera is connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Open the Google Home app, sign in, and tap the plus icon. Select Setup Device, then choose Works with Google. In the search bar, type eufy and link your eufy Security app account. Once connected, try simple commands like, "Hey Google, show me the backyard camera." You'll instantly see the live stream on your phone or on a smart display. It's that easy. Each eufy Security camera carries weather-resistant IP ratings, solid 2K RES, and reliable Wi-Fi connection. That's why reviewers and homeowners alike call them the best security cameras of 2025. By combining these powerful optics and AI features with the easy-to-use eufy app, surveillance camera security has never been smarter. And with responsive eufy support and eufy customer service, you're never left unprotected. So whether you're securing a large property, monitoring your front porch, or searching for reliable spy cameras and wireless security camera options, eufy Security gives you clarity, privacy, and control like never before. In a world where privacy matters and clarity counts, eufy helps you see more, store locally, and sleep peacefully. No subscriptions, no worries. If you're ready to make your smart home smarter, explore the latest eufy Security system devices compatible with Google Home, including the eufyCam S4, SoloCam S340, S330, and S3 Pro. If you're an Alexa user, we've got recommendations for you too, like the eufy SoloCam S340 and the eufy SoloCam S220. For setup instructions on how to connect and use them, check out the on-screen card and the pinned comment below. And don't forget subscribe to eufy tutorials for more smart home guides, hands-on reviews, and exclusive tech deals. Your smarter, safer journey starts now.